Here's my Hunter Berkley ceiling fan. This fan is available in 3 finishes. Oil wall bronze is shown here, white, and brushed steel. This fan has a reversible blade. It's walnut to oak. And it's got a light kit. It's got 60-watt halogen bulbs. With a press of lot of air, Hunter logo. This one has 3 speeds. This one has a reverse function. And save money on your heating bill. It's a 52-inch blade span, and it's an indoor fan only. It could be a 40-inch, a 4-inch downward, or longer ones. It's like 48. That is all about the Hunter Berkley ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.